19. State 3 causes of system entropy. Advancement in technology, new management policies, change in user needs, directives. Roman 2. Describe 3 main ways of maintaining a computer-based system. Perfective maintenance. It's a software maintenance performed to improve the performance, maintainability, or other attributes of a computer program. Adaptive maintenance is the modification of a software product performed after delivery to keep a software product usable in a changed or changing environment. Corrective maintenance is concerned with put in place mechanisms that fix errors as they occur so as to keep the system running. Preventive maintenance involves carrying out activities that prevent occurrences of bugs. State 3 advantages of using pilot changeover strategy in system development. Cheaper than parallel changeover. The implementation is on a smaller scale and therefore it is easier to manage than direct changeover. Staff be trained gradually. If the new system does not work correctly, it only affects a smaller percentage of the organization. Roman 3. State 3 advantages of using pilot changeover strategy in system development. Cheaper than parallel changeover. The implementation is on a smaller scale and therefore it is easier to manage than direct changeover. Staff be trained gradually. If the new system does not work correctly, it only affects a smaller percentage of the organization. State a stage in system development life cycle where each of the following activities are carried out. Identifying shortcomings of the system problem definition, preparing training manuals, system implementation, calculating the cost-benefit analysis is feasibility study. State 3 outcomes that may result from using incorrect requirement specifications during system development. The system may be costing more than what was projected. The system will be delivered later than scheduled. The system will not meet the user's expectation. The cost of maintaining and enhancing the system may be excessively high. The system may be unreliable and prone to errors and downtime. The system will not meet legal requirements. Question 20. Define the following terms. Downloading. Receiving data or a file from the internet on your computer. Uploading. Sending data or a file from your computer to somewhere on the internet. Blog. A website that contains personal information which can easily be updated. 20b. Briefly describe how internet platform has revolutionized business operations in the 21st century. Promoted e-commerce where businesses' activities can be carried out all over the world provided there is internet connectivity. Internet has changed the mode of payment to electronic payment where money is transferred electronically. Monitoring and surveillance using CCTV camera. Managers can monitor business operation without necessarily going to the business premises. Internet opens different avenues for communication between parties involved in a business operations. 20c. Mention 3 emerging issues that make many people have a negative perception about internet. Spread of malicious software, security and privacy, pornography and dirty sites. 20d. Explain the following terms as used in data processing. Multiprocessing refers to processing of more than one tasks apparently at the same time. Batch processing, data is accumulated over a period of time then later processed at once. Explain the following types of errors. Overflow error. This type of error occurs if the result from a calculation is too large to be stored in the allocated memory space. Truncation error results from having real numbers that have a long fractional part which cannot fit in the allocated memory space, therefore excess bits will be cut off. 20F, Roman 2, truncation error results from having real numbers that have a long fractional part which cannot fit in the allocated memory space, therefore excess bits will be cut off. 20F, mention two application areas of real processing: airline reservation, defense application system like radar, bus booking and reservation system. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.